Hello everyone, today I'm going to be making delicious lemon bars and super tasty calamansi bars. The first thing I'm going to do is preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and while that's preheating, I'm going to work on the crust, and the first ingredient I'm going to need is 1 cup of flour, a 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, and 1/2 cup of room temperature butter. And once all the ingredients are combined, I'm going to pour it into an 8-inch square baking pan, pat it lightly until it's nice and even, then I'm going to put it into the oven for 20 minutes. And while that's baking in the oven, I'm going to start working on the filling. I've already combined 1 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of flour, and 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. Then I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 2 eggs, and 1 teaspoon of lemon zest, and I'm going to pour this into the dry ingredients and mix it until it's all combined. And for calamansi bars, I used the same recipe but substituted the lemon juice with calamansi juice. By the time I got done making the filling, the crust was already done, so I'm going to pour the filling on top of the crust, then put it back into the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for another 20 minutes, or until the top is a nice golden brown. So before I start cutting it into squares, I'm going to allow it to cool down for about 30 minutes. Now I'm just going to cut it into 16 squares, 4 by 4, or if you want bigger pieces you can do 3 by 3. And I just stole one and took a bite out of it, and oh my gosh, is it delicious. And if you'd like, you can dust the top with powdered sugar, but this part is optional, it tastes just as good without it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you try this recipe out. I thought the lemon bars were a little bit more sour than the calamansi bars, but they were both so delicious.